Ndagukunda.
Yes.
Ndagukunda.
Yes. A round of applause for Yemi Alade as she joins on stage. Alright. Are you guys getting as excited as we are? We all are. You guys don't look so excited. Yes, huh? It's coming. I would love to invite somebody called Alade, a great influencer, one of the powerful voices behind lots of things. He's going to tell you more about himself as he joins on stage. Let's just join us.
Thank you very much for having me.
Alright, so where do I start? Yemi, welcome to Kigali.
Hi.
Great to have you here. How does it feel to be in Kigali? Your first time or?
No, it's not my first time. I think I should come closer.
Please come closer. Please come closer.
Oh, you sure? Alright. Hi everyone. Hello. Hi. I hope this.
We feel the energy already.
I want to feel more.
We feel the energy already.
Yes.
So tell us.
It's not my first time.
Yeah?
No, it's not my first time in Kigali.
Okay.
I've been here several times. Also for the New Year countdown, I've been here for that as well.
No stranger. She's
I'm no stranger. This is one of my many beautiful homes.
Welcome again to Kigali.
Thank you.
Anybody told you this one before?
What?
Nagukunda.
No.
No?
What?
Nagukunda. Nobody told you that one yet.
Not yet.
All the many times you've been here.
No. What does that mean?
Turasente. It means I love you. So if nobody told you that, before,
Wait, say it.
that's a shame, yeah?
Say it slowly.
Nagukunda.
Ndagukunda.
Yes.
Ndagukunda.
Yes.
I know nakupenda, now I know
You see?
ndagukunda.
That's the title
Okay.
for the next single, huh?
Alright.
Yeah? So nice to have you back. Majid, nice to have you here at Kigali. Tell us more about yourself.
Well, I'm a radio and TV broadcaster. I'm also a podcaster promoting Afrobeats and Afropop culture based in the UK.
I will have a few stones to throw at you if you allow me. Yeah? So, I've known you for quite some time, and I've known how much you push for music, you push for the culture beyond our borders. People say, is it Nigeria? Is it us for ourselves? Or Bruce Melody can walk up to you and you say, let me hear what you've got. How do you do it?
I think everybody can. One of the most important things for me is promoting Africa beyond Africa. And I think we are listening to music from Uganda, from Kenya, from Cameroon, Nigeria. Yes, a lot of the Nigerian artists have had big platforms. We're speaking to one of the greats of this generation, Yemi Alade here. But we are now understanding that Nigeria or Ghana by themselves cannot take it all the way.
I was like, wow, it makes a lot of sense for Trace to transcend even into the awards, because for so many years they've been dealing with artists like myself and even artists that were there before me and artists after me. It only makes sense to sort of like recognize these artists a little more, their efforts. Trace is a platform that definitely displays and promotes most of our videos. We put in a lot of work, and I'm sure they have an idea of how much work the artists put into creating in general. And I think the awards is not just only a thank you note to the artists who are the contributors, but also a thank you note to themselves. It's a tit for tat and a very beautiful, bold step in the right direction.
I would agree with this. I think being in the music industry for the younger generation, what do you tell them? Look at you now. What does it take to get there?
Okay, first of all, hello everybody. There's a lot of chatter in the background, and we're not going to be here for too long. It would be really great if we just stop for a second and focus on this for a moment. Let us share our ideas and, can we, if you're with me, say yeah!
Yeah!
Over there, I see you, say yeah!
Yeah!
God bless you so much. All right, what was the question?
My question was, look at you now, what would you tell a young one? What's the journey like? Is it all thorns or there's some roses in the way?
My journey so far.
Yeah.
My journey is not easy, my journey is not over, my journey is probably just getting started. But I would tell anyone out there that my journey is a testimony that every one of us can share. The most inspiring thing for me is to know that when I shoot my music videos and put it out there, the little boy at home and little girl at home will see me on TV, feel represented, and have even more encouragement to live up to all their dreams. I know that their dreams are possible. I'm just that leaf. That is the leaf that I want to continue to build.
Do you feel tomorrow is your night?
Tomorrow is what?
Do you feel tomorrow night is your night?
Is my night?
Yeah.
I feel a lot of things.
Yeah.
But I definitely feel that tomorrow is a special night for every one of us, for the entire Africa, most especially. As for me, I'm here to play my part. I'm here to play my part. I'm here to share my experience, give a beautiful performance on stage.
Yes.
And let's say for the awards, let's see who wins, you know?
Who do you think is going to win tomorrow?
Listen, Trace is one of the largest media platforms in the world, specifically out of Africa, promoting African pop music. Everybody that's nominated deserves to be nominated and has the chance to pick up the award. And I think at this level, whoever walks away with any awards tomorrow deserves it. So you can't really throw names and say this person, that person. You just say all the nominees deserve the chance to pick up the award.
I totally agree. Any questions for anyone there? Okay, we've got a question there. Can you get a microphone to them, please? Can you get a microphone to them? Someone?
Thank you very much. Yemi, my name is Michael, I'm from Kenya. Thank you very much for doing that thing with Saudi Soul, Africa.
Yes.
Amazing.
Thank you.
I just have a question for the both of you, because what you do is really inspiring and amazing, and I know it wasn't easy to get where you are. And there are so many upcoming young people who look up to you. And I know there are times that you almost gave up on your dreams. Can you share what that was and what got you out of it and what got you going and pumping? Thanks.
I think for anybody within this industry, they will tell you that this industry is one of the hardest industries to be in. You're not only dealing with the practicalities of hard work, you're also dealing with the emotions and, of course, the financial aspect of things. Africa, we're still developing the entertainment side so people can live fully as an entertainer. I think the most difficult time is wanting to do something, wanting to travel to Rwanda, for an example. I've been blessed to go around the world with artists like Yemi Alade. In some cases, I'd want to go and probably want to support myself to go there, and the finances are not there. However, we just know that we're passionate about promoting this culture. And once you have passion, the low points, it will be able to carry you over. Without passion, the easiest thing to do will be to give up.
Yes, I absolutely agree. As for me, there were many times that I wanted to give up. And even, I don't know who lied to people, but some people feel like when you've made it, the journey becomes easier. That's the biggest lie. It becomes harder, it becomes more difficult, it becomes more demanding. I've been fortunate enough to travel around to certain countries with my brother, and I asked him, did you sleep well tonight? He said no. I said, did you struggle to sleep? He said yes. I said, that's because every night we're almost sleeping in a different bed, in a different country, in a different hotel. That life is not very easy, so it continues to be difficult. But if we are going to trace it back to the beginning for me, as per the times I wanted to give up, I had great people around me who would always encourage me. It's important that as you get up and start your journey, you surround yourself with people who are positive-minded and are aligned with your own goals and thoughts. So, for instance, days when I felt really low, they would remind me to look back and see where I'm coming from, and that I'm not where I used to be. And even till date, that is what encourages me. Looking back and knowing that I'm not where I used to be, where I used to be, you know, and that keeps me going. Yeah.
All right, I'm sure there's so much preparations going on for tomorrow, so we'll take so much of your time. Thank you so much for honoring the invitation to be in Kigali. I hope you like your experience while you're here. So we're going to take a picture and then we'll let you guys get back to it. Feels looks like he's joining us on stage. So, I don't know, you guys probably don't need any introduction, do you? But anyway, for the sake of it, I'll let you introduce yourself for those international media who may not know your name.
My name is Bwiza, a musician from here, Yemi record.
Please go ahead.
What's up, everybody? My name is Musa Keys, all the way from South Africa, and I'm probably gonna be your favorite hitmaker.
Amazing talent.
Yeah, what's good, everybody? My name is Fields, aka Mr. Producer, aka Charlie, aka Rigi Makula, yo. All the way from Lagos, Nigeria, representing.
See the energy that these guys bring to the room, huh? And by the way, so for Bwiza, I'm so proud of the work you've been putting in for the last couple of years. So let me start with you, Musa Keys. I've been following your career for quite some time, and I've seen you just got started. Would I be right to say that? That your journey just began? Would I say that?
I didn't just begin. I think I've just begun in a different place currently, you know. My music has been popping anyway, you know, back home, around Africa, going out, you know, I've been on tour outside of Africa a couple of times, so you're not wrong to say that, but yeah, it's been a great journey though. It's been like amazing, and I can't wait for the next one, you know.
And I do see your name in many boardrooms. It means there's something more beyond music that's about you as well. I see your name, trust me.
Yeah, I'm everywhere. Trust me, I'm everywhere. I'm on your alcohol brands, I'm on your gum brands, I'm on your every brand. I'm there.
See, I knew there was more to that. That's what music does. Feels, Nigeria, Kigali, how do you feel to be on this side of the world?
Man, this is my second time in Kigali, and it's amazing, man. It's very, I like the trees. I like how close to nature Kigali is, because there are a lot of trees around, and you know, the atmosphere is just very calm, and the people are really amazing. Yeah.
I was going to ask Bwiza to show you our food and show you around. Will you do that? Show him around.
Yeah.
Let him taste our food and, you know, yeah?
Maybe I'll cook some jollof rice for her.
It's a jollof rice as well, huh? So Bwiza, your first nomination, such big nomination, how does it feel?
First of all, it's a pleasure, and yeah, it's a blessing to me, and I'm super happy.
You looking forward to winning?
Of course, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you feel confident you're gonna win your category?
Yeah.
I love that. I love the confidence, and I do wish you well. I know your journey just began as well, as I was saying. But more importantly, Bwiza, what would you tell young girls here in Rwanda? I mean, seeing you on this stage now, this is your home. Young girls trying to pursue the music career, what would you tell them now?
Like, I will tell them that everything is possible, like, we can wake up and work hard, and believe in God, always remember to pray for your word. And yeah, anytime, any day, your dream will come true, because this was my dream.
Do you feel a little bit scared of the stage tomorrow?
Yeah,
Like
a
a
little
bit
bit
of,
nervous, but not that much.
Ask them how that. You forget as soon as you step there, am I right? Yeah?
Sometimes.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
So it's not because it's hard. Even you guys have been there for a while, you still feel the pressure.
I mean, we're different. I don't know about you.
I don't feel any pressure.
You don't?
The stage is my favorite place to be, actually.
Maybe,
Yeah.
or maybe it's because it's my first time to take this.
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah, and I mean like, it's always different for women. You know, it's always different to carry like a big crowd for everybody else. You know, like standing in front of people and being influential is really hard. So it's actually great to see her being here and actually representing females. You know, it's really amazing.
A controversial question for you, Musaki, is I'm a piano. What's this fire going around? What's this fire I'm seeing everywhere? I didn't expect to see some artists in Nigeria doing a piano. I just started seeing a few now. What's this fire going around?
I mean, it's a vibe, man. Everybody loves it, and I think everybody that loves it can do it and can take it to the top. You know, there are different ways of doing music, and I think that's where we are right now. Fortunately, South Africa could like come up with like a very dope sound and all of that. But I'm so happy that everybody is connected with the music. You know, that's the whole point. We're trying to make sure that the music translates to the rest of the world and becomes as big as any other genre out there.
All right, so Phils, do you feel like it's time for Africa?
I feel like,
Do you feel like it's time for Africa?
yeah,
Yeah?
for sure, Africa to the world, yeah. Yeah, like, it has
So,
always been time for Africa.
The
We've always been there.
movement is still going on.
Yeah, for sure, 100%.
Musaki, you feel like we'll get there? We're getting there?
We are the best.
Good to hear that. I mean, we need this energy brushing off each other across the continent. And thank you guys for your time. So I will let you guys go get more practicing, get some rest. I know you've flown from so far. And I cannot wish you the best tomorrow. I'll be there to cheer you on. Okay? So before you go, we're probably going to take one picture. And all the best tomorrow.